I think the main thing, this is only the second day, so I don't have a whole lot of experience yet, but mainly working on trying to get clarity in the changes that I want to make in my life, and which sounds big, and it is big. And at this point, it's really important to me to better get in touch with what it is that I really want to do.
So I've known Edmund for many years. He's one of the best premier guys.
I think this program is very informative. It's definitely the go-to program for if, let's say, you want to create your own online business, and also it's very detailed, it's very thorough because they go through step by step.
I've been working with Edmund, with my partner Kelly, for the past few months, and all I can say that he's a genius when it comes to internet marketing, incredibly genuine and generous with his expertise. Simply said, Edmund Loh is the real deal.